Oh, hello guys and welcome to my channel. This is Joan of Art and I am with my friends muralists Julio over there and Wara. We are doing a commission piece. We have to finish this work within the day. The more challenging part of the mural is the sketching, and we were already done with that. Color palette is black and white against a gray wall. The topic of discussion for today's blog is loving a single mom. So Julio, what is your experience in loving a single mom?
Very good.
Yes, why do you say so?
Because you love one and two person will love you back. The mom and the baby will love you back.
All right.
Yes.
So what is the other advantage if you love a single mom?
The single mom is responsible, caring times 10,
Ooh.
and open-minded times 10,
Understand.
and not pabebe.
Not pabebe. What's this with the pabebe thing? Is it a good thing or a bad thing?
For me, it's bad.
Why is that so? What is pabebe, by the way?
Pabebe is like a childish attitude.
Okay.
Immature.
So,
Immature, yeah.
single moms are more mature.
I'm looking for the one that we share some similar interest. Yes.
Is she an artist or does she have to be an artist?
She looks like an artist.
Is there any issue with your family?
No.
So your family is okay with
Yes.
that? All right, because apparently I'm a lot older than Julio, and I came from another time back in the 80s and the 90s when single mothers are not acceptable and they are looked down by society. So what do you, in general, Julio, how do you look at single moms? So do you think single moms have a place in society right now?
Yes, of course.
And
And we cannot judge them because we don't know what they're
what they've gone through.
gone through. Yes.
So, all right, there you have it. And I'm glad that guys like Julio, and I'm sure there are a lot of them, they have a lot of respect for single moms like us.
Yes.
Wara, do you see it as a disadvantage or an advantage for a girl to already have a child?
Depends on the situation, on how she treats her situation.
Okay, so it's on a case-to-case basis. But will you accept a woman who has already a baby from another guy?
Yes, I will.
That's good news. For all you ladies out there, Wara is still available. What if one day you will meet a single mom and you think this is the woman for you? What will you do?
If I feel that we're having something in common or we're having a good connection, why not?
Okay, so that's really good news for the single moms out there. It's not the end of the world. There are good guys who are willing to accept you for who you are. Just be a good woman, be responsible, not pabebe.
Yeah.
And
Don't rush.
don't rush.
Pabebe is just for kids.
So if you think pabebe is being cute, it's not. There is a market for single women, for single moms. Yay! So you heard what the boy said. There is always life and love at the end of a relationship. Just be the right woman.